It's no secret that actors in the film industry, especially those in adult movies, need to stay in top shape. But here's what they don't tell you. Their secret isn't extreme diets or endless hours at the gym. It's something much simpler, the baking soda trick. I heard about this hack from someone who works closely with these actors, and at first I couldn't believe it. But it makes sense. Baking soda helps balance pH levels, improve digestion, and accelerate fat burning naturally. When I tried it myself, I noticed the changes almost immediately. Within just a few days, my energy skyrocketed, my cravings disappeared, and my stomach felt flatter than ever. The transformation was so noticeable that even my friends started asking what I was doing differently. The best part? It's simple, natural, and doesn't require you to give up your favorite foods or spend hours exercising. That's why so many in the industry are using it. It works with your body, not against it. I managed to get my hands on a video that explains exactly how to use this trick. The link is in the description and pinned comment, but fair warning, this type of information doesn't stay online for long because it disrupts the weight loss industry's profits. That's why they developed Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution to achieve real results without the hassle of complicated routines. Stocks are running low, so click the first link in the description now and secure yours before it's too late.